Hello dear viewers, welcome back to Cybrosys. So today in this video, I'll show you how to set sales credit limit inside Odoo 17. So it's very simple to set up. So for that, what you have to do is go to the accounting module. And here inside the accounting module, go to the configuration. From that, choose the settings menu. And then inside the settings menu, you guys will have to search for credit limit. So here you can see under customer invoices, you can find the sales credit limit. Enable it and set a default credit limit. I'm putting it to 100 and then I'm going to save it. So I've set the sales limit as 100. So what happens is that triggers alerts when creating invoices and sale orders which are above the limit. Okay. So once the saving is done, I'm just refreshing the page. And then let's go to the sales module. So here we have the sales. And let's try to create a quotation. Okay. So I'm going to create a quotation here. So for that, I'm choosing Deco Edit. Okay. So once you choose this person, you will see such a warning as Deco has reached its credit limit of 100. Okay. So you can see the total due amount and all. And then I'm going to add a product, which is a caustic block screen. So the amount is 295. Now let's see, I'm confirming it. Okay. And then you can create the invoice and all such things. So I'm going to do the delivery. That is the validation of the delivery. Okay. I'm validating it. So check availability. Simply you can set the demand and quantity here. Then validating it. Confirming. And I'm completing the procedure. Okay. Once it's done, the invoicing will be enabled. So I'm going to create a draft invoice for this. And then the invoicing is done. Now before that, you can see here also the credit limit has come. Let's try to do the confirmation. So you have outstanding credits for this customer and all such things will come. You can register the payment also from here. So that's how the alerts are shown. Okay, that's how the credit limit is shown for sales. Now what if we set the credit limit for the customer? Okay, so here you have this Deco Edit. I'm opening this person. And here under the accounting tab of this Deco Edit, you can see this credit limits. Okay, so here I'm going to enable the partner limit and the limit by default is 100. So let me set it to 200 and I'm saving it. Now if you go to orders, now there you have quotation. I'm going to create a new quotation. There I'm going to add Deco Edit. Now you can see the Deco Edit has reached its credit limit of 200. So that warning is come. So this is basically how you set sales credit limit and also credit limit for partner, which is partner limit. That too using the sales module of Odoo 17. I hope this is clear for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.